Supernovas. What are they? A supernova is when a star reaches the end of its lifetime and either turns into a neutron star, which is a tiny star that is only up to 10 kilometers in diameter, or if the star is over 20 times bigger than our own sun, it might even become a black hole. When a supernova occurs, it creates lots of different heavy elements, like gold, platinum, and iron. There are also hypernovas, which are the largest known explosion in the universe. Why do supernovas occur? A star needs neon, oxygen, and iron to keep burning. It runs out of fuel because the iron being produced does not create heat energy when it fuses. And when the star stops producing oxygen and neon, which it needs to keep the fire going, the fuel begins to run out and the iron starts building up in its core. When too much iron is being produced, it starts to put the fire out. Finally, when only iron is in the core of the star dies. The supernova occurs when once the fire burns out, the gravity builds up until the star collapses in on itself. Eventually, the star explodes. The blast is so powerful that it causes some of the iron to fuse together, producing other elements like gold, platinum, and lead. How long is it before our sun runs out of fuel? The current human race have nothing to worry about at the moment because it is an estimated 500 billion years before our sun dies. But recent studies show that this is irrelevant because the Earth could collide with Mercury or Venus in a few billion years. So the Earth will definitely end sometime in our future, but it won't be anytime soon. What is the importance of studying supernovas? The importance of studying supernovas is if we wouldn't have knowledge of how and when a star dies, therefore not figuring out when our own sun will die. Also, with this knowledge, we now know where lots of the heavy elements come from. To see what a supernova looks like, copy the link.